Moto-Meter installation video. We have 6 items here for the installation of the Moto-Meter. Number 1 is the fuse. Number 2, we have the connector which has 3 cables. The black one goes to the ground, the red one goes to the battery, and the yellow one goes to the power on switch. When we turn on the motorbike, the power should be connected to the wire here. The power should go through the wire, through the yellow wire. And then we have a relay box. The relay box is connected to the speed sensor at one of its ports. And then we have the Moto-Meter connector. The Moto-Meter connector on one side is connected to the Moto-Meter simply, and the other side is connected to the relay box at one of its other ports. That's it. We are showing you how to install the Moto-Meter at Honda Wave 125i. The model is Honda Wave 125i. We need to take out the headlight first and then this part. So there are total 3 parts that need to be taken off to install the Moto-Meter. Okay, now we take out the speedometer and we install the speed sensor in its place. We need to rotate both the cable and also the speed sensor to be able to feed it. After putting in the speed sensor, we need to put back the speedometer cable to the speed sensor. So by adjusting some height, we need to put back the cable to the correct position and then fix it, feed it accordingly. At this stage, we use the connector to connect and its cables to connect to the different parts mentioned before. The black cable goes to the ground, the red cable goes to the battery, and the yellow cable goes to the power on switch. We have already installed it in the motorbike, and then we have to connect it to the port of the relay box. We have to connect the cable to the relay box. After that, we have to connect the speed sensor with the relay box port and also the Moto-Meter connector to the relay box port. After these steps, we have to make sure that we put the relay box at some place and fix the cables of the speed sensor and the Moto-Meter in such a way, fit it along with the speed sensor cable so that there is no problem in the movement of the bike. When the movement of the bike is flexible, we can be sure that the connection is okay. We already reassembled the parts of the motorbike, and at the final stage we will connect the Moto-Meter to its connector. After connecting the motorbike, we will turn on after connecting the Moto-Meter, we will turn on the motorbike, and if the red LED appears, red dot appears, then the Moto-Meter is working. And we can turn on the Moto-Meter by clicking on the 1 number button here, and there you go, the Moto-Meter will start working. And So right now the tariff table is inserted and installed in the meter. So when the meter is started, when it's turned on, the starting fare will appear here, and also the waiting time will start running because the motorbike is not running, the motorbike has not started yet. So when we install the meter, and we turn on the motorbike, we can see the red dot appear, and when we switch on the one button, we can see the tariff rate 10, and also we can see the time running. That's it.